Hi there, welcome back. So what you see on the screen is the result of a niche research that I have conducted recently. So my niche is kids bedroom set, and down the road all the keywords that I'm going to be researching and finding out will be based on that niche. So there are some metrics that we follow to determine whether or not if a niche is good enough for us. So I'm not going to be going over all the matrix that you can see on your screen. Just I'm going to give you a glimpse of the things that we do to determine the niche, that whether or not if it should be worked on, whether or not it would be suitable for us to work on or not. So we check search volume on the niche that we are going to be working on, search trend, difficulty, commission rate, and profitability. So all these matrix and their values plays a crucial role in determining whether or not the niche is good enough for a beginner to start working on, because we all know that it's a competitive world and you cannot just pick up a niche and start working, because there are millions of other people, competitors that are already working on that niche. So it would be extremely difficult to beat them unless until you have a big budget. So keeping that in mind, it is very important that you do your niche research before start working on a niche. I hope this has been informative, and see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.